Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about how I list my art for maximum views on Etsy. Maximum views only equals maximum sales when we're attracting the right audience. Everybody is not our target market. We don't want to attract everyone. We want to attract the right people. My first tip is for anyone with a new Etsy shop. If you're a brand new shop with very little sales and no reviews, you want to consider adding some low ticket items to your shop. Customers need to feel comfortable before investing their hard-earned money in an original piece. Think about it. If you came across a random store online and you knew nothing about it, you didn't see any reviews, you might not want to purchase from them because you're not sure if you'll get the item. You're not sure if it's good quality. Reviews will definitely help you sell higher ticket items. Once you start building reviews, then people will feel comfortable investing in your originals. Another tip for a new shop is to add at least 10 listings. It helps with being found within Etsy's algorithm. It gives you more chances to be found. It just also gives your shop a more established look. Now let's talk about titling your listing. This is where I see a lot of artists mess up. The biggest mistake I see most artists make is titling your Etsy listing the same title as the name of your actual piece. I have these gold heart balloons over here. If I'm titling it Heart of Gold, no one is searching for that. When you're titling your listing, you want to think like a customer searching for a product and not as the artist. You can use tools like eRank to find high traffic relevant keywords to help title your listing. So the keyword here is relevant. Not all high traffic, low competition keywords are going to be good for your title. If it has nothing to do with your art, the style of it, what it looks like, anything like that, you don't want to add it because you're going to attract the wrong audience. Attracting the wrong audience is just really going to hurt you in the long run. So you'll get a lot of people looking at your work but not buying, and that's just telling Etsy that, hey, people don't like this. They're not interested in it. When I'm titling my artwork, instead of saying Heart of Gold or some other deep, meaningful title, I would say maybe Modern Abstract Painting, Neutral Tone Wall Art for Living Room. This title is going to help your piece get found by people who are searching for this type of style. I love using eRank because it shows you what people are searching for. The goal is to find keywords that have a high search volume and low competition. This will give your listing a better chance of standing out. Another tip is having high quality photos. You don't need a fancy camera or anything. Your phone is perfect. Make sure you have good lighting. Natural lighting is always best. You want to get your art from different angles. You want to show the texture. Another tip is to include a video. So it could be a video of you painting. It could be a video of just the texture of the painting from different angles. This is going to give potential buyers more confidence in their purchase. Another pro tip is to use relevant keywords in the description of your photos. Etsy's algorithm looks at photo descriptions, so adding keywords there is going to give your listing a boost. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.